Hello students, our next topic is quadratic equation. So, polar representation of a complex number is deleted from your syllabus in this current year. So, let's start the quadratic equation. In previous class, we studied about the nature of roots. So, there are three natures of root. When b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then what is its nature? Its nature is real and distinct. ठीक है, when b square minus 4ac वैल्यू पॉजिटिव होगी, 0 तो ग्रेटर होगी, in that case ਜਿਹੜੀ रूट के नेचर होगी that is real and distinct. Distinct means different. Clear? Roots अलग अलग होंगे. When b square minus 4ac is less than 0, and equal to 0, then nature of root is real and equal. ठीक है, मतलब इक्वल टू केस ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ 0 ਦੇ ਜਿਹੜੀ नेचर होगी रूट की that is real and equal, मतलब दोनों रूट सेम होंगे. अगर सपोज करो फर्स्ट रूट 2 हो तो सेकंड रूट भी 2 ही होगा. क्लियर? थर्ड केस इज when b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then its nature is imaginary. रूट्स की होंगे इमेजिनरी होंगे. क्लियर? सो ਜਿਹੜੇ इमेजिनरी रूट्स ने वो ਅਸੀਂ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ इस क्लास में, क्लास 11. ठीक है? सो रूट्स फाइंड करने की फॉर्मूला से हो x इक्वल टू -b प्लस माइनस अंडर रूट b स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac ओवर 2. दिस इज आवर क्वाड्रेटिक फॉर्मूला to find the roots. Clear? When b square minus 4ac is less than 0, less than 0 means its value should be negative. So you can write here b square minus 4ac negative. क्योंकि the value negative है, 0 तो lesser, so it is negative, and you can write it as minus b plus minus 4ac minus b square. So you can write it as b square minus 4ac iota. जो नेगेटिव साइन है क्योंकि इसलिए ऑलरेडी बात चुके हैं कि जो आइota की वैल्यू दैट इज व्हाट, इट इज अंडर रूट -1, अंडर रूट -1. सो चेक करो कि देखिए नेगेटिव साइन है, तो जो नेगेटिव साइन है इसमें लिख सकते -1 into b square minus 4ac, and the value of this root -1 is iota. Clear? So this is our imaginary roots which we will discuss in this topic. Next, example number 9. Solve x square plus 2 is equal to 0. So this is our quadratic equation, because in this equation the highest power of the variable is 2. So to find the roots of this equation, first we have to compare it with general form, that is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. ठीक है, जो क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन की जनरल फॉर्म और जनरल इक्वेशन है उसी को इक्वेशन का दिस quadratic equation compare करोगे, and you can compare the value of a, b and c. So value of a is here, but coefficient of x here, that is 1. b is the coefficient of x. So in this equation value of b is what? Value of b is taken as 0, क्योंकि इस equation से x वेरिएबल है ही. ठीक है, so you can take it as 0, and c is our constant. So constant is in this equation is 2. Now the quadratic formula is minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac over 2a. Okay students? Now minus b, value of b is what? 0 plus minus under root b square minus 4ac. b square, 0 square is 0 minus 4ac. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. Divided by 2a. Value of a is here 1. Next. Minus 0, don't need to write it. Clear? Plus minus 0 minus 8, it is minus 8. So you can write it as 8 iota. 2 ones are 2. Clear students? क्योंकि जो minus 1 की वैल्यू है अंडर रूट, it is iota, because minus 8 can also minus 8 is also written as minus 1 into 8 under root, and you can separate this term under root -1 multiplied under root 8, and under root -1 its value is Clear, students? Value of root 8 is how much? It is 2 under root 2. Clear? You can write as 2 under root 2 divided by 2. 2 to cancel. Now its value is plus minus under root 2 iota. So there are two roots. First root is under root 2 iota. Second root is minus under root 2 iota. So these are the roots of this quadratic equation. Next, example number 10. Solve x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. So this is again a quadratic equation. You can find its root. So first compare the value of a, b and c. Here a, b and c value is equal to 1. Okay. Now formula is minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac over 2a. Now you can put the values. B is 1. B square minus 4ac. 1 square is 1. Minus 4ac. 4 ones are 4. Again 4 ones are 4. Over 2a. 2 ones are 2. Now it is minus 1 plus minus 1 minus 4. It is minus 3 and minus 3. It is written as under root 3 iota. You get a negative sign and you say iota convert करो. Clear? Divided by 2. So these are the roots of this quadratic equation. So first root is minus 1 plus under root 3 iota over root 2. Second is minus 1 minus 3 iota over 2. Next, example number 11. Solve under root 5x square plus x plus under root 5 is equal to 0. So compare the value of a, b and c. Value of a is here under root 5. Value of b is coefficient of x, which is 1. And c is constant, that is under root 5. Now the quadratic formula is minus b. Value of b is here 1 plus minus under root b square. B square means 1 plus 1, 4ac. Value of a is here under root 5 and c is again under root 5 divided by 2a. A is under root 5. It is minus 1 plus minus 1 minus root 5 under root 5. It is 5. 5 4s are 20 divided by 2 under root 5. Minus 1 plus minus 1 minus 20 minus 90. It is written as under root 90 iota 2 under root 5. So the first root is minus 1 plus under root 19 iota over 2 root 5. Second root is minus 1 minus under root 19 iota over 2 root 5. So these are the roots of this quadratic equation, and this is your example number 11. Now students, exercise 5.3, it is your homework. So try yourself. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Thank you.